So as an industry association in FIA, we do recognize the need to actually create a suitable regulatory framework that will help us to protect the consumers, but at the same time facilitate innovation and facilitate trade. So therefore, we are actively engaging with our stakeholders, including the industry sector and the regulators as well, to help come up with ideas and the solutions that will allow us to share best practices around the world and to come up with a regional alignment on how do we build a better regulatory system and process that will facilitate innovation and at the same time protect our consumers. So if we talk about smaller food businesses, usually the top challenges they are faced is usually on the cost and the capability that they have. But at the same time, we can also see the certain advantages that are also being held by the smaller food business because they are small. Actually, they have faster time to react to the market. So we have to see how do we sometimes also utilize the strength of the smaller food companies because there are a lot of innovations that we can find from the smaller food business. And on the other hand, the bigger food companies has their advantages in terms of like their understanding of the markets and also the matured food distribution chains and also their capabilities in a lot of areas. But bigger food companies, they also face challenges in terms of innovation because they are bigger. Sometimes it's very difficult for the big food companies as well to actually drive innovation and get these ideas across the large board of stakeholders. So I think that actually we could see a potential opportunity actually for the smaller and bigger food companies to come together, to collaborate and see how do they leverage on each other's strength. So probably we can utilize the strength in the smaller food companies in terms of the innovative ideas that they have. And at the same time, we can tap into the existing resources in the bigger food companies in terms of their distribution channels, marketing channels to help to scale up the business.